In today's video, we're exploring 3 of the best screen recorder apps for Android. If you're looking to create tutorials, capture gameplay, or share your screen activities with ease, stay tuned as we dive into these top-notch apps that can help you record high-quality videos effortlessly. Mobizen Screen Recorder. Mobizen Screen Recorder is one of the most popular screen recording apps for Android, known for its user-friendly interface and a robust set of features. Users can easily record their screen activities in high resolution, making it ideal for creating tutorials, gameplay videos, or sharing app demonstrations. Mobizen also offers features such as facecam recording, internal audio recording, and a built-in video editor, allowing users to enhance their recordings right within the app. With its easy-to-use controls and customizable settings, Mobizen is a favorite among content creators. ADV Screen Recorder. ADV Screen Recorder is another excellent option for Android users looking for a reliable screen recording application. This app provides a simple and straightforward way to capture screen activities with high-quality video output. ADV Screen Recorder allows users to record in both portrait and landscape modes, and it supports drawing on the screen while recording, making it perfect for tutorials. The app also features a countdown timer for recording starts, an overlay camera option, and the ability to pause and resume recordings easily. Its minimalistic design and powerful capabilities make it a solid choice for many users. Glip Screen Recorder. Glip Screen Recorder is a versatile screen recording app that focuses on delivering high-quality recordings with a focus on performance. It allows users to capture their screen in various resolutions and offers both internal and external audio recording options. Glip also features an intuitive interface, making it easy for users to start recording with just a few taps. Additional capabilities include the option to edit recordings, add annotations, and share videos directly through social media platforms. Glip is especially useful for those who want a straightforward screen recording experience with essential editing tools. Thank you for watching our video. We hope these screen recorder apps inspire you to start creating your own content with ease. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.